This is going to be another update on the K24 Swapped Subaru Impreza as I work my way to the garage, try not to fall on this icy sidewalk here. My other Impreza sitting outside there. So I've gotten a lot done since the last update, and my subframe connectors and motor mounts here, they're all fully welded up and ready to go. Don't mind all the surface rust, it's just humid where I live, but it all bolts back up fine. The center alignment is still good, so that's ready to go. And I've also gotten the transmission mounted. Had to order some new bushings for the BMW transmission because these things were trashed. So I'll show you under the car the mount that I made. Alright, so here's the mount I made for the BMW transmission. Yeah, pretty simple, just some tubes and plates to catch those two bushings there. The transmission only weighs 85 pounds, so it doesn't need to be anything crazy, but it should be plenty strong. And here's just how the mounts work from the top. So as you can see, I cut too much of the tunnel out at first, so I didn't really have anywhere to make the mounts that I really wanted, so I made these brackets to work off the old seat bolts and the old seat rails. And that's kind of holding up the trans mount temporarily until I rebuild the whole tunnel area, but plenty strong for now and it should work fine, so we'll get back to that later when I rebuild the interior. So the past week or so I've just been working on finishing up the subframes, doing all the little tedious final welding and plating and gussets, but we're getting pretty close to the end. I got my last few plates here and everything I'm gonna start knocking out today, and hopefully have this engine mounted in the car fully with all the weight and everything, and hopefully next couple weeks. So I'm probably going to set up the GoPro here and end this video off with a little time lapse of me welding some of these plates on, I guess.